What's up, everybody? I am back at home, back in Arkansas. I had an awesome time in Chicago, but I am back at home with you guys, all right? So, it's Monday night. You know, I'm not doing any football snacks. The Cowboys lost again, but let's not talk about that. Okay, we are going to have some baked chicken wings, not fried, baked chicken wings in a nice gravy with onions, bell pepper, and garlic, and some white rice and some cucumbers. Something light, okay? So let's play the intro and get started, and I will tell you guys about my trip to Chicago. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I am back with another video. All right, let's season our chicken wings so we can get them ready to go into the oven. And they're gonna bake for probably an hour or so. So the first thing I want to do is put a little butter. Just rub a little butter. Rub a little butter on them, not much. This will help the seasoning stick to them, okay? And this is optional, you don't have to do this. I'm using Land O'Lakes butter to rub on them, the same butter that I use when I bake my cakes. All right, wasn't that much, just a dab. All right, I'm gonna start off with a little Creole seasoning. About a half a teaspoon of everything because you know I use different seasonings. Half a teaspoon of soul food seasoning salt. A little black pepper. About a teaspoon. Some red pepper flakes. Optional. I want them to be just a little spicy, not too spicy. Onion powder. About a half a teaspoon, of course, or no, about a teaspoon of this. And a teaspoon of garlic powder. Give it some good flavor. Okay, about a teaspoon of parsley. And a half a teaspoon of paprika. And a half a teaspoon of basil. And finally, a packet of my Saison. This works so well, guys. I baked my brother while I was in Chicago, I baked him some buffalo fish, and I used this Saison on it with onion powder and garlic powder and everything. It was so good. It had a good flavor. It gave it a little color. You would have thought it was salmon, but it wasn't. All right, now we're just going to rub this seasoning into our chicken. Looks real good. All right, let's get ready to put this in the skillet. All right, I'm gonna pour them in the skillet here. Get them all situated in there. I already have my onion, bell pepper, and garlic cut up. So I'm just going to place that over the chicken. All right, a little more pepper on top of this. Okay, I'm going to add just about a half of a cup of water to that. To top over it, I'm gonna put this in the oven, let it bake for about 45 minutes. All right, I will bring you guys back. Okay guys, I am also going to put one of these cubes of chicken flavoring in the chicken while it bakes, and it'll just make it even tastier. Okay, I wanted to show you that. I'm gonna drop this in the skillet and let it bake with the chicken. Okay y'all, let's put the cucumbers together real quick. I already have my cucumber peeled. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a half a cup of red wine vinegar, okay, a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, And I know a little bit is wasting in there, but that's okay. Teaspoon of Creole seasoning. And a little black pepper. About a half a teaspoon. Paprika. Well, a half a teaspoon of paprika. And minced garlic. Finally, the minced garlic. And you can use as much of this as you like. I'm going to use about half of the, this is a full jar, and I'm gonna use about half of it because I like the garlic, and garlic is good for you. And then you can taste it, and if it's too bitter, just add a little bit more brown sugar to it, okay? And once you have that together, you just slice up your cucumbers to whatever size you want. And just put them in there. And let them sit for a minute. And they'll still be nice and crunchy when you get ready to eat on them. They should be nice and crunchy once you get ready to eat them. And there you go. All right, let's get the chicken out the oven. Okay, our baked chicken wings are done. Look at that nice brown gravy. And they're nice and brown, and the onions and bell pepper and garlic have cooked. All right, let's fix our plate and eat. What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? I am so happy to be back at home with you all. All right, let's bless the food so we can start eating. Bless this food that I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. Amen. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? I hope you guys enjoyed my Chicago show. Had a lot of fun doing those. Okay, so we have the cucumbers, guys. I showed you how I made those. These are really good, not fattening, and they're filling. And we have baked chicken. I showed you how I seasoned those, and I baked them for about an hour, and then I turned it on broil for about 7 minutes so they could get some color to them. And we have some white rice and ginger ale. So let's pour this up. What is everyone doing this Monday evening? I hope you guys had a good day at work today. Oh boy, I had an awesome time in Chicago. Guys, that food there, oh my goodness, it was so delicious. I enjoyed being with my family. I just had a wonderful time. Okay, let's taste these wings and see how they came out. This is good. Look at that. Get a close up. Look. Boy, these are good. So, how was you all's weekend? I had a great weekend. That food in Chicago, Italian beefs, those Polishes, oh my goodness, that pizza. If you haven't checked that video out, guys, please check it out. Let's try one of these cucumbers with all of these, the garlic, the minced garlic I put in it. That's good for you too. Look at that. The red wine vinegar and the brown sugar, it balances it out so it isn't too tart. This is a good snack if you're wanting to lose some weight. I saw Eat with Q do this, and I do one or two things differently. I put some paprika in mine, and maybe a little bit more brown sugar than she uses, but this is her recipe, and it's really good. And this baked chicken and rice with the onions. So if you don't like fried chicken, just bake your chicken wings. This is good. So guys, I went to Chicago, had to take care of some family business, and when I tell you the Windy City, hey, it deserves that name because it was truly windy and cold, and it was raining when I first got there. Ugh. The weather is totally different. The more we drove coming back down south, the warmer it got. It was cold when we left this morning. That's good. Do you guys bake your chicken? How do you bake your chicken? I added a chicken cube to this to give it more flavor. So that helped it a little. Gave it this brownish color, if you can tell. You see how the rice is, that gravy is brown? This is good. I mean, I know the gravy should be brown, but it's more rich. Let me put it like that. It makes your gravy a bit richer. Just plain chicken and rice and gravy. That's all you need. And some good cucumbers with all of this. Look at that. These are good. You should try this. I normally get a the cucumber that I can't think of the name of it, but you can really eat the skin on it. But this time I just used the regular cucumber, English cucumber. Look at that. Ooh. So good. So yes, I did a couple of shows in Chicago. One with my sister-in-law. Thank you again for doing that with me, Harvey. But I had a really good time. And my nephew, he bought me that really good Italian beef from Albano's. Guys, check out that video. Oh my goodness, it was so good. But this baked chicken is good too. Look at those seasonings in there. It's good. Nice and tender. Baked chicken and rice mukbang. Look at all that garlic on there. It's good for you. That is really good. Try it. So, what did you all do for the weekend? Did anybody go out of town? Did you do anything special? I had a ball. I can't stop talking about it. This chicken is so tender, guys. Doesn't take wings that long. They're seasoned really good. I just use the same seasonings, you know, that I seasoned when I fried them, pretty much. Make sure I don't have anything on my face. Y'all know I start eating and I have food everywhere. And this is a light meal. Not that fattening at all. It's baked. It is really good. Look at this one. It has a pretty color on it. Look at that. Isn't that nice and golden brown? Yeah, once you bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour, take your top off and turn your oven to broil. I cannot say that word. And let it brown your chicken real good. If you have your chicken covered up, it's pretty much steaming it. So then you want to take that off, your top off, and cut it on broil so it can actually get color to it and firm it up a little bit. Or you guys may have another tip. If you do, tell me how you bake your chicken. Let me know. Have one more. I'm almost done. I ate this up pretty quick. Phil was hungry. Well, is this your first time stopping by my channel? If it is, thank you for stopping by. Now, like, comment, and subscribe. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what do you think about my show. Check out the other videos and press that red subscribe button, okay? And turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Guys, this has been really good. You know what? I think I want to have one more. I want to eat one more of these with you guys. These cucumbers are good. Look at that. Guys, this has been awesome. Something nice and quick and simple, but yet delicious and filling. All right. Thank you guys again for supporting me. Thank you for watching me. And you know what? You never know where Philly Phil will be. And you are always welcome in my kitchen. Good night.